This is a demo for my app, MovieMania. I have used Firebase for my database and for a sign-in method, which is used for a favoriting feature. The API that I've used is the TMDB API because this is a movie app. So first, let's start with signing up a new user. This user will be, let me quickly. So once I sign up this user is taken to the home page, the Trending Now page, where we can see a featured movie in a separate card, which if the user clicks on this, they'll be redirected to a movie detailed page. From this movie detailed page, you can see the synopsis of the movie, details on the movie, and a cast carousel, which takes the user through the actors in the movie. From here, the user can also favorite a movie, which will then be seen in their Favorites tab. And they can share. They have the option to share to someone else this movie. Or they can even access the trailer, which redirects the user back to YouTube, where the trailer can be seen. At the bottom of the Trending Movies tab, it features actors from the trending movie, which is different from another movie that might be seen on the Trending tab. Then the user can search for movies. So here are some quick searches like Superman. From the search tab, the user can also access the movie detailed page, favorite from here as well, and access the trailer. If the user toggles, they can search up actors or actresses like Anne Hathaway. This is the actor detailed view. It shows their biography and filmography. So here we have what Anne Hathaway is known for, her other movies. And then we have the New Releases tab. The New Releases tab is different from the Home tab because these are English US movies, while the New Releases tab is worldwide. So that's why the user might see movies in other languages, and these can also be clicked on as well with the same information. They can also be favorited or unfavorited. From the new releases, the user can see previous movies of any year and month, or even future movies if the information is available. From the Favorites tab, there is a tally held of the user's favorites movies and actors. They can be removed from this tab, or they can also be accessed. So if Anne Hathaway is favorited, they can access the actors' detailed view or the movie's detailed view. They can also log out from their profile view, which also holds a tally of their favorites. And the app has a splash view. So here I can now demonstrate that every user is different thanks to Firebase holding different information on their favorites, which is what it is used for. So if we do a little refresh right here, we can see there's the user that we created and their information being saved at the database, which is used for favorites. What I've learned with this project is the use of models better and applying detailed views, connecting Firebase back to my app so it has a database. I've also learned that the launch screen still using storyboard. I have to give props to ChatGPT for helping me for this because I do not like storyboard and I don't really understand it. But here I made the splash view and then I needed a storyboard to connect it back to my app, which is then here in launch screen. So I don't want to touch it, but here when making the app, I would just choose launch screen.storyboard, and that's how I actually learned what a proper launch screen is and how to implement it.